Right, this is going to be the melody to King Kong by Frank Zappa. There's going to be two versions. One is an early version with the Mothers of Invention that's in 3 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that kind of thing. The other one is later from the 80s where they had it in as a reggae in 4/4 time. So 2 different versions, basically the same melody. So let's take a little quick look at it. We got. So that's our first part. We got little 6. And then 9, 7 on the B to 8 on the G. So it's kind of sets of 4 notes as we go. The next set of 4 is 9, 7, 8, 6. 8, 6 on the G. So the next set of 4 is going to start on this F sharp note, 7th fret of the B string. Goes down to this, so it's 8, 6, and 5 on the G. The fourth set of 4 here is 8, 6, 5 to the 8 on the D. So all 4 of those sets are. And that all works under the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're back up to the octave of that first part of the melody. So let's take a look at that new part then. Here's our first part. Now we're going to go 5 to 8 on the G, 6 on the G to 7 on the B, and then 8 to 9. And now here we have the 7 on the B to 6 on the E. And then we're going to start going first string and second string, 9th fret, 11th, 14th, 16th, and then we're back up to the octave of that note up here. So it's going to be like a. Okay, so we got. So this one's a little different. That's our first bit. So that was dum, 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 da, dum. So we're starting up here on the 18, 20, and 19 to 20 to 18 up here in the G. Then we're going to go. So that was 19, 18 to 21. Back to the 19. So after we go. So that was 18 and then 20 on the G, 19, 18 down here. So from this one more time, we got. So the next set here is the 20, on the G, then 18 on the B, back to the 20, so. So that last riff, we got 18 to 20 on the G, 17 to 18 on the G, we got 20 on the D, 16, 18 on the D. So we got. And then we're going to have this 20 down here. You can do a little bend on the 21. Back to the 20. You want to keep all those in sets of 3s. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's break all that down one more time real slow. So we got first set of 4. So I'll give you a 3 count. 1, 2, 3. So now we're gonna look at the reggae version in 4/4 time. Like slides into each first note of the melody, so. And to accommodate that slide there, I'm not doing it down here. You could do it down here though. Wherever you want. So it's got a different little riff to it there. So we got. So this would be a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the interesting part there is. Dum dum da 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 dee da da dum. So one more time. So when we get into these nines here, you can start kind of sliding into each note. And here there's a little pause and they go. To keep it all in 4/4 and everything, they kind of had to slow that riff down. And then you wait for a couple sets of 4s, so it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then do your high notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's look at that one more time again. So we're sliding into the 11 from the 9 on the B. We got the 9, 7 to 8 on the G. So we got. Then we're going to slide into the 9. We got the 7 and the 8, 6. And then we're going to slide into the 7. And that's kind of a run-on phrase there. Then we get back into our same walk-up. And you can even slide in this high one. All right, King Kong by Frank Zappa. Check out those two different versions. You got the King Kong from the original album, like late 60s, 69 or something. And then you got, I believe it was like 84 tour. It was either 80, I think, or 84. But there's one with a green cover. It's from the You Can't Do That on Stage Anymore, Volume 3, I think. Frank Zappa, always the coolest stuff. Thanks for watching. This will be a tab with this. Have fun. Talk to you soon.